Today's heat and air quality are just two of the concerns facing the city's health department. I spoke with the commissioner this afternoon about what's being done to contain the Legionnaires' disease outbreak on the Upper East Side.
The course of the last day, we had one new case diagnosed, right? And so what we're seeing is this begin to look like a reassuring position in the investigation.
And just to drill down a little bit on that testing, do we have the results beyond the PCR testing for all of the cooling towers that have been tested so we know if they actually do have the bacteria?
We have the PCR test for everything back, and that gives us the opportunity to now order all of the towers to be drained, cleaned, and disinfected, and that is the way out of this, right? The way out of this cluster is to cut this bacteria off at the source. Now, we are doing two more tests, right? Just to get a little bit nerdy here, right? We are doing two more tests. The second test that we're doing is called a bacterial culture. Why are we doing this? We're doing it because the PCR test is only giving us a sense of if there is DNA that is linked to Legionella in that water. It doesn't tell us if it's live or it's dead. So we have to culture.
I also asked the health commissioner about the rising number of cyclosporiasis cases in the city. You'll hear his tips on safe food preparation coming up on the news at 6.
Cyclosporiasis cases continue to climb in the area, making people sick. From the beginning of May to this week, the Department of Health says New York State reported 517 cases. In Connecticut, there have been 40 reported in about the same time period. And then through last Friday, New Jersey is reporting 33 cases. So are there some foods that you and your family should be avoiding? Jessica Moore asked the city's health commissioner.
In a season where we all want to eat fresh, cold fruits and vegetables, what should people be staying away from right now?
Let's look at our data. So what we see so far is 400 cases here in New York City of cyclosporiasis, and ultimately this is 3 times the amount of our typical rate of cyclospora infections. And so what we think is at the bottom of this, right, is typically fruit, vegetables, right? The actual parasite lives on the outside of those fruits and vegetables. And so we're working with our colleagues at the federal government and at the state to identify, is there one retailer or wholesaler upstream that is particularly causing this infection? And I would say that for now, the most important thing that folks can do is really wash their fruits and their vegetables really, really well, vigorously. We know that cooking both fruits and vegetables will, essentially neutralize the parasite.
It's really the act of scrubbing the outside to make sure you're getting everything off. Is that what I hear you saying? Okay.
And Dr. Martin adds that while washing your fruits and vegetables does reduce the risk, it doesn't eliminate it completely. For more tips, just head to cbsnewyork.com.